Wow, what an absolutely stunning pixie transformation. I absolutely love the overall shape of this. It does feature the bangs going in the front. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone who went from long red hair to this dark bob style. Gorgeous, very nice classic bob makeover with the center part down the middle. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, it looks like we have a hair color transformation in the works. We see some blue color being added. Wow! Beautiful electric blue hair color. Now, blue hair has been trending for the past couple of years, couple of seasons. So this is an absolutely gorgeous hair change. Wow! Oh, I am loving this bob transformation. She looks absolutely radiant. I really like the color, the dimension that was added with these caramel chestnut colored highlights. So pretty. And then here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. And she decided to switch things up with this trendy mullet makeover. This one does feature some bangs in the front. And as you guys know, if you follow this channel, this is a rather very popular retro hairstyle that has managed to make a comeback. Very cool. Next up, we see someone with a pixie. She has a beautiful, natural, wavy texture within her strands. Looks like she might be in for a cut refresh. And bam, very nice classic pixie makeover. Next up, we see someone else who has gorgeous natural curls. She does have a little bit of some bangs going in the front. And she decided to switch things up with this gorgeous tapered curly pixie style. This is a very nice, popular hairstyle for curly girls. She does have a bit of a shaven undercut going there on the side as well. Stunning makeover. And then we move into our last transformation for today's video. She has mid-back length hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? Looks like she's going to be getting a bob for this one. Ooh, very nice shoulder length bob style. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.